There was a lot of children that had been missing, exploited, victimized, and we were making contact with thousands of motorists every single year during traffic stops, and we'd never been trained or really thought about identifying what the indicators would be of somebody that was exploiting children. So Texas Troopers alone have recovered over 616 children that were high risk since the inception of this program, but that number really grows to a lot more because we train local partners and also we do national and international training. From young women to small children, and you look, especially with the women that are being sexually trafficked, the abuse that they undergo, and they have nowhere to go, nowhere to turn to, and you can actually be that bright spot in their life and help remove them from a very harmful situation and actually provide them with a path to get out of that situation and to recover from that situation. And I've had personal experiences where we've put on a class, especially other agencies that have come in and taken the training with us. And then, they get out on Friday, and Monday I get a call from the chief saying, "Hey, we just saved a child. We went to a domestic disturbance call. That officer was in your class. They recognized signs of abuse, and we were able to save a child." And as soon as you get that call, all the training's worth it, and it just makes you feel really good.